Wow. Wow. Come on. What? I have no idea what I'm doing here. That's cool. In the name of science. Kabine 1, ganz frei machen bitte. What's this here? That's interesting. Matsushita. Wow. Data sheet right here. Woohoo! What's this? 1985. Ceramic package. Awesome. Nippon Chemicon. Very interesting, I see. What is it? Look at the rear side. This will be quite interesting, I guess. Let's have a look. Hi, my name is Max Koschu and welcome back to the beautiful electronics blog. This is the Hitachi Picker LSC-7000 Ultrasonic Diagnostic Unit. I have purchased it at the local classified ads. It was in use at a veterinarian. This one is large and it is fully packed up with electronics. Beautiful electronics, I hope. Look at this. Wow. Here is a large power supply and I'm very curious about the internals. Hitachi. Gesundheit. It was last tested in 2002 and the next test would have been in 2003. Oops. Here are the connectors for the probes. This is beautiful. Wow. What's here? Batteries! Why? They are old. They are really old. So the next important question is this unit working or not? I went to the drugstore and got myself this ultrasound transmission gel. I have paid €5. So great thanks to my supporters Dexter's Lab 2013 and Steve White. Thank you. Isolating transformer on. Ultrasound on. What? What? Come on. Hold on. Oh. It makes some sounds. Freeze. Oh! No, this is not working at all, I'm afraid. I have no idea what I'm doing here. No, this is not working at all. Oh, wait. Wait, there is something. There is something. Can you see it? There. Oh. You can see the bones. That's cool. So, in the name of science, Herr Koshu, bitte in den Untersuchungsraum. Herr Koshu, bitte. Kabine 1 ganz frei machen, bitte. Well then, let's do it. Whoa! Whoa! I have no idea. What do we see here? What's this here? Why? Does it require any surgery? What's this here? It was a tough decision whether or not I should take this unit apart, really. Reason is, it's a medical device built to help people. It seems to be in working condition, at least at this very moment. So it could be useful for someone. An example, a relief organization curing homeless people or doctors in the third world. And it breaks my heart to take apart something that is still useful. On the other hand, there are 11 important reasons for a teardown. Reason number 1. I've bought this unit for you, my subscribers, to do a teardown. Reason number 2. There are dozens of such units on eBay at similar prices and nobody seems to be interested because the technology is old. I've paid €100 for the unit plus €50 for shipping, and that's the minimum I would have to get just to break even. Reason number 4. The probes alone are probably more expensive than €150. This means if I would donate all the stuff, I would lose much more money than I can afford myself. Reason number 5. I need something for a living. Reason number 6. Nevertheless, I was willing to donate it for free, with probes included, but everyone I asked denied because of the age of the unit and the strict regulations on electrical safety, hygiene, and numerous other certifications that this unit would not receive. Reason number 7. I was planning to donate my unit to Africa, but the customs are ridiculous. There are dozens of papers to fill out and the shipping fee would be extremely high. Reason number 8. Even as a donation, the people in Africa would pay a high price in order to receive it. Money that could be spent in more useful applications. There is a high risk that the unit would arrive Africa in broken condition. Even if the device would arrive in Africa in one piece, it may be faulty after a while due to the age of the unit. And this would not help anyone. Reason number 11. Also, it is quite unfair to send all the Stone Age equipment to the third world. They should get top technology. There is enough money in our first world. So here is my solution. We will take this unit apart. Together, live on camera, we will have the opportunity to learn something. Or at least we might learn more than watching videos about fidget spinners and hot knife against soda. Yeah. I will try to sell the probes. This will help my channel and my personal situation. And finally, I will make the spare parts available for sale at very fair prices to help owners of such devices. At the end, this single unit will probably help to restore dozens of other units all around the globe. Okay, we start with the monitor. There's not much in here. A little board, standard parts, Japanese brands, everything fine. A CRT made by Toshiba. A nice transformer. Shielded. And it reminds me on the Japanese audio hi-fi units like tape decks and CD players from the old days. They also had such a transformer inside. A little power supply. That's it with the monitor. Maybe someone needs a monitor like this, and that's the reason why I will put it on eBay for sale. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, we see nothing. Big chunk of plastic. Oh. This is beautiful. I just have to figure out. Okay, there's a hinge. I guess I can flip this part over, and then we have access to all the boards. And there are many boards. That's beautiful. Wow. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is where my camera failed completely. I recorded the moment when I opened up the main chassis. The first attempt, the video was completely black. It was unreadable. The second attempt, this is what you're watching now, there was no audio. So yeah, you missed a lot of wow and amazing and cool stuff. Yeah. Here we have a look at the picture monitor assembly. This is for the Polaroid camera. A little bit of dust on the parts because of the electrostatic charge. Wonderful boards, and a mysterious chamber. Woo! Yeah. And apparently on the next scene the camera was working again, and there are no more issues in this video. Okay. Nice. That's great. Here is where the probes are plugged into. Here we have gold contacts, and of course I don't scrap this unit for gold, because as said before, I want to help owners of other units to repair their units. A little module, hybrid, test pins, caps. Oh, that's interesting. Here is a Siemens cap, MKH, in a modern design. I did show you such capacitors in my mailbag. They have an amazing Q factor. They are of very high quality. So that's interesting to see a Siemens brand in here rather than a Japanese cap. In fact, these caps are so great that Hitachi decided to purchase them in Germany. That's interesting. What else do we have? Lots and lots of TTL logic stuff, gold pins, and relays. Beautiful relays by Matsushita. Oh. Nice. Really nice. And a beautiful layout as well. Next board. Wow. This is the radio frequency amp board. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Wunderschön. How old is it, by the way? Let's have a look at the chips. 5M3, I have no idea. Here is a part from Texas Instruments. And again, there is no date code. That's interesting. Matsushita module, and again, no date code. Siemens, Epcos, TDK, MKH caps again, and they are everywhere. Nice. Enjoy this for a second. Beautiful. That's a beautiful board, isn't it? Wonderful. Next card. Another beautiful card. What's this I see? What is it? I have no idea. But I will put in the datasheet right here. Hitachi. And this one, what's that? I3. F8. A fuse? What is it? Do you know it? Write it in the comments. Very interesting. This is not a date code. 2005. Voltage regulator, 8 volts and 5 volts. Cool. Now we are talking. Woohoo! Voltage regulators, transistors, and op-amps most likely. I will put in the data sheet here. What's it? Harris? Is it a Harris part? And we have our first date code, 1985. 1984, 1986, 1985. And more exciting stuff. What's this? And the TL441CM. And there is another similar section like on the other board. It's exactly the same. Here. That's interesting. Next board. Check this out. Beautiful. Hitachi FD1058. And what is it? I don't know. MKH capacitors again. And large 2-watt resistors, carbon type. And a classic EEPROM from 1986. Another beautiful card. More op-amps, more of such TTL ICs, resistors, voltage regulator, op-amps, silicons, and this one. A nice ceramic package. Beautiful. Are you still interested? Okay. Wow. Look at this. Woohoo! TRW. That's awesome. Beautiful. And a DC-DC power supply. More EEPROMs. Coils and caps for the DC input. Nippon Chemicon. Sure. And another very interesting IC. Reticon. Never heard of that before. And this one here. It has a shielding. Okay. So this is the last analog stage, I guess. We will open it up. Sure. Beautiful. Woohoo! Nice. Burr Brown. Type 4423. And what's this here? I first thought a matched pair of transistors, but no. Non-polarized. What is it? And Harris. Silver mica caps. Wonderful. and one socket is empty. And there is another place for, yeah, modifications, I guess. Here too. That's interesting. Look at the rear side. That's cool. That's exactly what I thought. Some place for modifications. Cool. That's very exciting. They did a revision or modification and yeah, just wired the board like that. Cool. That's absolutely fine. And here's the back plane. I have to stop here. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, I'm afraid, and I still have lots and lots of things to do for a living. But in part 2 we will have a look inside here. We will have a look at the power supply down in the bottom. We will have a look at this portion here, at all the details. This will be quite interesting, I guess. So thanks again to all my supporters on Patreon. This helps me a lot. Big thanks to everyone who leaves a thumbs up or tells friends about my video blog or whatsoever. I can need any support really for motivation and for a living as well. So I hope to see you again soon. Bye.